In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to delete your Shopify account successfully. Numerous reasons might drive this decision, and I'm here to ensure that you make this transition seamlessly and hassle-free. We will start the process by accessing your Shopify account. Remember to have your login details handy. Once you've entered your login credentials correctly, you will be directed to the Shopify admin dashboard. You'll find a variety of options here, but what we're interested in is the settings, which can be found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open up a menu with multiple directions. Identify and select Plan from this opened menu. This will navigate you directly to the section where you can manage and adjust your Shopify plan settings. With the plan settings now opened up, you're halfway through the process. Your next step is initiating the cancellation. If you're using a paid plan, you should see an option saying Cancel Plan. Free trial users will have an option saying Cancel Trial instead. Be mindful that if you're on a paid plan, there might be options to either pause your store or switch to an alternative plan. However, if your final decision is to delete the account, simply proceed by clicking Cancel Plan again. Now, you've almost completed the closure process. But before you can confirm the final step, a few more actions are needed. A prompt box will appear on your screen, asking you to provide a reason for closing your store. Shopify uses this for their data tracking and to potentially improve their services, so kindly give a brief explanation here. Following that, you'll be asked to enter your password once more. This is a security measure to ensure that the account's owner is confirming the account closure. Finally, you're ready to finalize the deactivation process. It's now time to click Cancel Plan or Cancel Trial, depending on your subscription type. When you affirm this step, your Shopify account will be immediately deactivated. Rest assured, Shopify will send you a confirmation email to validate that your store has indeed been successfully closed. And that's it. We've covered the complete procedure on how to delete a Shopify account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and straightforward. Remember to take your time at each step to ensure you're making the right choices for your online business. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors.